Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now the reverse split happened today, today I believe, but I guess I don't really know off the top of my head. But regardless, my point here is that if you're looking over here and saying, whoa, this one was just, at below $1 and now it's up there, that's just because there was a reverse split. Like I said, I think today, but that is why the prices are all of a sudden higher than maybe the last time you were paying attention or looking at the chart. But let's get some things mapped out here from the technical perspective. The first key level that really stands out is where the bleeding finally stopped today, and that was down here at the $1.32 mark. So $1.32, $1.33, right around here. And that is what makes things interesting because, and this will mean, I suppose, a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen charts like this where things get nasty, but the problem is they just remain nasty all day long, and it's just down it goes the remainder of the day. But that wasn't the case here. Yeah, it got nasty, but then all of a sudden the price just went sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish trading was this easy. Just because the price started off nasty and then just went sideways does not mean that for sure this is the bottom and for sure this is going to bounce. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all, but myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that for sure a bounce is going to happen. But it's at least a rational thought to have. Case in point, if the charts still look like this, where it's just going down and down and down, and I was saying, it's looking like this could potentially bounce, you would say, why would you say that? It's just been going down. But if that's not the case here. The price is going sideways, so we'll see if that $1.32, $1.33 area can hold. Now, by default, if the price crashes down through $1.33, well, then that's what I love about charts. They really insult your intelligence because at that point, well, yeah, very clearly this is not the bottom and that there's more bleeding to be done. Now, if the price can continue to, work its way upwards from this sideways price movement, the final 30 minutes on the day, you can see right there, nice little green candle, a little bit of a surge in volume. But if this can, and is going to, lead to a bigger type move, the key overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now, that's valued at $1.74. But remember, that's a moving average, so that value is going to move and change as next week plays out. But overall, from a trading perspective, very interesting setup going into next week. So let's see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.